Hello guys, welcome to QWOP Education. This is the 8th video of our free SEO series, and in this video we are going to study about creating a profile for your search engine optimization, or in other words it is called profile creation in SEO. So in the last class we had studied about what is page authority in SEO, what is domain authority in SEO, why domain authority and page authority is important, and the procedure for applying or to see the domain authority and page authority of an website. In this video, we are going to study about profile creation in SEO. So in this video, we'll first discuss that what is profile creation. So profile creation is the way of online marketing in which the profile is created on multiple platforms for better recognition. It allows you to register the URL of the web store or your website and blog for the better exposure. Basically, it is saying that profile creation is the way in which you will be able to connect to various websites using your profile, which will help in creating your profile strong. And in many situations, your profile will be the identity of your online business. The next thing is profile creation is considered to be one of the best ways to boost up your web pages search engine optimization and get better search engine ranking. The next thing is profile creation is considered to be one of the best ways to boost up your web page SEO for getting the better rank or the better search engine optimization results in your search engine results page. In other words, we can say that if you do continuous profile creation like 4 to 5 sites daily, you have to post your profile in 4 to 5 sites daily, weekly, 5 to 6 days, and you will get a better result on your search engine results page. In other words, we can say that your site or your website will be displayed in the top when you reach 500 to 450 to 500 profile that is created in the online. So basically, it will create a good profile in your online world, which will help to recognize your site very soon. The next thing is what are the importance of profile creation. So the first importance is getting quality backlinks easily from websites of highest authority. The next thing is it lets users to connect through multiple websites, ensure your brand has presence on several platforms, improve your social network profile output, and gaining authority and boost the ranking of search engines. Basically, the importance of profile creation is the profile creation helps you in generating backlinks by seeing the highest authority. Highest authority means before this class we have discussed the page authority and the domain authority, and it allows the users to, to contact to maximum number of websites that are present. And overall, profile creation will create a profile in the online world. He or she will get an improved profile in your social network and the number of sites can connect with you easily. The next we will see theoretically steps for creating a fun profile in online. So first of all, you have to see your search engine and type there or search there best profile creation sites, or else you can also type best profile creation sites with high DA domain authority and PA page authority. Then register, pick your username and password by providing the information such as name, email, identifier, etc. And then modify your accounts in the email identifier you are required to enter, and fill the titles, definitions, social media links, blog links, website information, etc. So these are the steps to create a profile, and let's see it online. So I will search in my web browser top profile creation sites, and I'll just click here, and you can see the results that there are many sites listed here. And not only that, you can also, let me cut the ad first. You can also see here that it is also the domain authority is also provided by their site, and as we discussed before, 35 is not a good score, 29, all these are not good score. And here you can see that there are top 10 free creation sites list of 2022 of high domain authority. So basically, first of all, you have to check the domain authority, which here is 96, which is just a fabulous number in domain authority. And if you provide your site with this, suppose you just provide your website with GitHub, then your site will grow, your all your website will grow faster rather than when you give it here the domain authority number 22. So the thing is that you have to submit your website here, and after submission of here completely, you can also submit here to increase the reach for your website. So first, I would suggest that you must share your website with this sites with high domain authority, and next you go for the sites with low domain authority. So let's do it first with academia.edu. So where is this site? You can directly sign in with Google, or else you have to sign in here. Sorry, this is not the option. Just here sign up and provide my first name such as QWOP education. Next, give your email here. And you can select the password. I'll give my password. And here you have to answer some questions which is also provided optional in many other sites. So I'll give here this one published in the following. No, then just continue. If you want, you can go with free, or else you can go with premium, which may be paid. And in some places, there are also free websites. And here is your account, and this is the profile creation account. And when you go here, you can see that QWOP Education, my account is created, and you can see this is the required profile creation or profile created link. So take it and copy it and save it for further uses in an Excel sheet or anywhere else you want. And after that, you can also do many things like change your profile and give your company's website details and upload some blog, etc., etc. But now, for now, the website is already connected with this, which is your academia.edu, and it will get you a path that there are, if any site that are connected with academia.edu can also come to you through the backlinks. After doing that, press the save button and you will need to update your profile successfully. So today's tech takeaway is what is profile creation in search engine optimization, importance of profile creation, and the steps for creating a profile online. So thank you for today. Thank you for joining. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and press the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever we share our video. Thank you.